There is a place my heart cries out for, Lord. There is a place I am yearning for. It is a place where it calls to the deep. I am overwhelmed by this deep longing love. Take me, Lord, to your secret place, Lord. Lord, take me by your hand to your holy place. And let me see your face and your glory, Lord. And let me know you more than I have known you.